Here's another one. Another toy. Success. Where's your cargo? Oh, success. Love you, Daddy. Okay, I was hesitant about buying this because it was kind of expensive for what it is, but it's been a lifesaver. My son is a food thrower and it catches really everything that he throws. Very easy to clean. I need to clean it right now, but very easy to wipe down. So overall, I would definitely recommend purchasing this if you have a food thrower like me.
So this is what I received with 4 holes on each corner, and this is what the Trip Trap chair looks like. Clearly it does not rest or rely on 4 supports from the sides. It needs 2 cutouts from the middle, so clearly they sent me the wrong product.